Have you ever wondered just what a day looks like for myself and Mrs. W in our No Dig Norfolk Garden during the summer? It's not all harvesting. There's preserving, there is sowing, there is transplanting. There's a lot that goes on here, and that's on top of the filming that we do during the day. So today we're going to take you along with us so that you can get a taste of just what our summer days look like. Mornings start early during the summer months, especially when it's really hot. The first jobs of the day are to feed the animals. This includes the chickens. And then we let them out for a bit of a forage. They do like to get out into the garden. And you'd be amazed how many of the slugs and the nasties that you don't want in your garden they actually find. Once a week I mow the lawns, and generally while I'm doing that, Mrs. W will do the edging. The next job after that is to ensure that we get the watering done. Now, I like to water first thing in the morning. Every 2 to 3 days, the undercover spaces are watered. And then we make a judgment as to whether we need to water anything outside. Usually during the summer, the priority are newly planted plants and anything that's about to come into harvest. The other thing that we always make sure we do is to ensure that we water at the base of the plants. The next thing that we like to do is get a notepad and pen, and we'll just have a 5-10 minute walk around the garden. Start to make a list of the jobs that need to be done. And then from there we can then prioritise the things that must be done and what we can achieve in the time that we have available. What we really need to do is to get this back, because I keep hitting that with a lawnmower.
Yeah, definitely need to harvest some more of these.
Runners.
I think these Belotti beans, we could probably start harvesting some of those now, because they're getting quite dry, aren't they?
It's looking like it, innit? Yeah.
Yeah. I think that'd be good.
What do we need to do with those Belottis?
I think we just pick them, shell them, and then you just lay them on a tray to dry.
Okay.
And then you store them in a jar.
Yeah, I knew they went in a jar, but I was wondering if they were fully... Yeah, you're probably right. They probably do want to go in a jar, don't
Yeah,
they?
I think so.
Yeah.
They're definitely going a dark purpley brown now, aren't they, compared to the vivid pink that they were.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
We can do with getting the peas in now, because they're about that tall now.
Yeah. They are quite desperate to go in, to be honest. And I've definitely got cucumbers to harvest. Again. Yeah, this definitely does need to come down. Yeah.
Yeah. Covered the leeks, so that's good.
Yeah. Yeah.
The sprouts are looking good, aren't they?
They are. And we're getting some butternuts as well. Finally.
Yeah.
That's good.
Look how much this has dropped.
It has. A huge amount. A whole level down to the first pallet collar, yeah.
So I think we'll get that. We've got some of our compost ready now, so we'll get that topped up today, because I'll be sowing the... Well, I'm thinking about putting the overwintering salad onions in here.
Yeah.
So, yeah, if we get that topped up, they won't get sown till the end of the month, so that'll have plenty of time then to settle down again. Then we might have to top it up again.
Yeah, that does. It does settle quite a lot, doesn't it?
Yeah.
They're looking good.
Yeah, they are. Well, I don't think there's anything we need to do to those at the moment other than to keep them watered.
Yeah.
But yeah, they really have grown, haven't they?
Yeah.
Lovely to think we'll get some sweet potatoes.
Yes. All looking good in here.
Tomatoes.
Melon.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
It's not going to be long, is it?
No, it isn't.
It's not going to be long. Oh, I can see we've got aubergines on the way now.
Yes, we have. This is, where's the pip? That's mangamel, that's a rather. This is Here, look. Pepito.
Oh yeah. So last we've seen a pepito then.
Yeah, and there's some more coming on it. I don't know whether they'll ever get to anything, but we've definitely got one.
We've got lots of the season left. Yeah, we've got right up to October, haven't we? Yes.
Yeah, I suppose we have, yeah.
That'll be fine. There's a lot of tomatoes to harvest in here.
There is, I know. That's basically a daily ritual now, isn't it? Harvest tomatoes. We must definitely harvest these show onions as well, because show's only a couple or 3 weeks back away now, isn't it? So
yeah, we need to get the next
drying.
a bit dry so that you can get them show ready.
Yeah, they're going over anyway, so that's...
Yeah, right, onions to harvest.
Yeah, and more tomato harvest in here.
Isn't there just?
And some peppers, I think. There's...
Oh, look, these ones over the back here, and they're going now, look.
Yeah, they are. Yeah.
You got some lovely peppers too.
These ones are ready.
Yeah.
These spiralists.
What are we going to do with these then?
I think I'm going to probably freeze them.
Yeah.
We haven't ever grown them before. They have seeds in them. They're a bit more of a... They're like chilli-like, but they are a sweet pepper, so I need to take the seeds out, I think, and I'll just freeze them.
Yeah. Well, we've got lots of Cheyenne.
Yes. Yeah,
Oh,
and we've got some red
jalapenos, look.
jalapenos. I need to just tie them in. Look, that one's falling over a bit.
Oh yeah.
Need to do that. That's got to be put on the list.
Our chicken's not sounding very happy.
No.
Is she the broody one?
She's the broody one, and I've shut her out of her thing for the time being. Let her have a bit of exercise.
We're so sorry if this spoils your enjoyment. After doing our garden walk, one of the things that is on our list is that we need to do some sowing so that we can continue to get great harvests over the autumn and winter period. And today we need to sow some turnips and some salad onions. They will be multi-sown as usual. We also need to sow some kale, and I just sow a couple of seeds in each cell. And then as they germinate, if too many to germinate, then I shall just thin to the strongest seedling. And the other thing that we need to sow is actually some pak choy and get the next lot of pak choy on the go. Succession sowing like this is what keeps our harvest going all year around. Being no dig, this is really a simple task. Once we've harvested what was there, it's just a question of roughly making the bed level again with a rake, and then either making your drill and sowing your seed, or in our case, popping in our transplants. By late morning, that's the time when myself and Mrs. W like to make our harvest for the day. time to have something to eat now. And what I'm going to do now, we have our grandson with us today, young Charlie, so I'm going to get him to harvest our lunch. Front of Grandad. Right, so to harvest these, yeah, you need to pull it down and give it a twist, alright?
Look right down. Hold the plant going down. That's it.
That's it. Twist it.
Lovely.
That's that one. And then the same with that one. Can you do the same with that one?
You do.
Got a ladybird on it.
Show me the thing up here.
Today we're going to be having some sweet corn. Mrs. W already has a pan of water on the go. And then for afters, a real treat. Because yes folks, today I'm going to get to taste our very first homegrown watermelon. Of course, filming is part of our day now too, sharing our journey, our tips and our mistakes, helping other gardeners along the way. So the camera is always with us. We're always setting it up. It's either in Mrs. W's hand or it's on the tripod, so we can get you some really good shots of actually what's happening in our No Dig Norfolk garden. Now of course, this takes extra time. But the messages, comments and feedback that we get from all of you guys, it makes it so worthwhile. I've lost count the amount of times I've seen a comment and said, where people have said, I've watched your videos and it's inspired me to grow my own veg for the first time. We grow a great deal in this garden really, and we can't simply eat everything fresh. Many things harvest all at the same time. So we try to spend an hour or two every day in the kitchen and preserving the things that can be preserved. As the evening comes around, we like to wind down. What I like to do is to check through our stored produce, things like onions, just make sure that they're still nice and hard and that there's no rotting going on. Also to make sure that they are curing in the way that I want them to, so that they'll be ready for storage. We also turn them at this moment in time every 2 or 3 days, just so that the curing process is nice and even. And that's a typical day for us in our No Dig Norfolk garden. A little bit of harvesting, bit of watering, bit of planting, bit of preserving, and of course also enjoying eating our lovely fresh produce. Simple, peaceful and productive. That's the way that we like to do things here. Now if you enjoyed spending the day with us, a typical day in our No Dig Norfolk garden, then do give this video a thumbs up. And of course, if you want to see more from our channel and know whenever we upload a video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. There's still much that you can be sowing during this month of August that will continue your harvest going. So if you want to know what you could be sowing, we made a video, 21 seeds to be sowing in the month of August. So check this video out next.